Are you getting most out of your Zoho CRM? Yes, no, not sure. If your answer is yes, you can pause this video. Maybe this is not for you. But if you're not sure or if you're not getting most value out of it, yes, then watch this video till the end, and I'm sure you're going to be able to find much more value in what I'm going to share with you. And who am I? Why am I asking this question? My name is Raj. We run CRM consulting company in Melbourne, and we do IT solutions. Yes, CRM, and there are a couple of other peripheral applications around it which we can integrate. So, did you knew or did you know that your CRM can cover pre-sales, sales, and post-sales as well? Let me zoom in into one by one. Yeah, when I said about pre-sales means it is capable of sending the campaigns, it is capable of tracking the visitor analytics, it is capable of connecting your leads to the CRM. Are you able to achieve all this in your Zoho CRM itself? Maybe you have, but do you know the second part that I'm going to share with you is, do you know the difference when is it that you should be using the leads and when you should be using the deals, when you should be converting it, what sort of activities you should be doing in, and how you should be recording those activities? I'm sharing all this because from years of our experience, we have noticed there are still customers out there who are using the CRM like a spreadsheet. They enter the contact details, they create a lead or a deal, and then they hope that it's gonna be working best for them. Well, it doesn't, because you need to have structure, you need to have a process, and you need to follow that process for system to be able to work on it. And I guess you must be doing it already. You can create proposals, you can send quotes, and you can send an automated reminders as well. So that's what I meant when I said pre-sales, sales. And what about the post-sales? You can send surveys, you can send um, reviews request, you can send some follow-up emails, you have the capability to send even cross-selling or upselling. You know, look, I did use quite a lot of technical words, but I'm sure that some of you are already doing it, some of you might need help with it. Above and beyond, when system is used in a right way and set up in a right way, it can generate good amount of reports, and from those reports you can generate dashboards, which is again real-time reporting. You don't have to go and look every time. Guess what, your CRM is capable of doing all this. Now it's a matter of, even after paying the subscription, are you using it, are you getting the value out of it or not? There are two ways you can do it. Either you can go to the help and resources link on the website. Well, when you bought the Zoho CRM, you know these things comes for free. At the same time, you can contact people like me or somebody else, it doesn't has to be only me, who are experts in doing what they do. Majorly, they're going to go and implement the CRM in your business. They can guide you from point A to B. For the point A could be that you're just using your CRM like a database, and point B where you can be, it can become an organizer for your business. It can help in automating some part of your sales, or some reminders, some utility that it can produce, which can be helpful in knowing your customers better. You know, in this day and age, CRMs are designed in such a way that they are multifaceted channels. They can accommodate your other channels. For example, your emails can be integrated, your socials can be integrated, your website forms can be integrated. You know, you can integrate the surveys as well. I guess that's pretty much enough. I don't want to overload you anything. So if you want to know more, All you have to do is just book a phone call just to figure it out whether we are a value to you or not, whether we are a fit for each other or not. Yes, our first consultation is free. It's first we're going to talk to you on the phone, and then we're going to book a time with you. That's 45 minutes. We can book it, and that will not be any cost to you. And that's where we establish whether we have a value that we can offer to you or not. So down here there is a link. All you have to do is click on it, supply a couple of your details, and we'll get into touch with you. Have a good day. Thank you.